What's up, you guys? It's your girl Quay Boss, and I'm back here with another video on Boss TV. Okay, so I'm here doing another Coach haul for you guys. I'm doing a Coach shoe haul. So I'm showing you guys all my Coach shoes that I've gotten over time, and I'm letting you know where to go and how much they are and all the deets on all these shoes. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to be notified when I post new videos, and let's get into the video. So guys, I'm gonna start off from oldest to newest like I did in my last Coach video. So the first pair of shoes that I got from Coach would be my Coach rain boots. When I got these Coach rain boots, I was on a hunt for these shoes. I went on the website like every day, and I actually believe I got them off Nordstrom Rack. But these Coach rain boots, I had to have them. So yeah, the size that I wanted kept going out, so I had to keep going online, trying to see like when it was coming back in stock. I had put in my email to be notified when it's coming back in stock. So finally, I got these rain boots, and I'm gonna show you guys. So hey, they come in this box. So yeah, these shoes come in this big old box. These are my Coach rain boots. They're probably a little dirty, but here is the Coach rain boot. They have like the bow tie on the back. They have the Coach symbol on the back. This is the bottom of the shoe. They're tall boots, so they go up to your knee. But these are really good. They go with everything. I love that they have the Coach name on the silver part for the lace up on the back. And I believe these were running around like $85. They were on sale when I got them at Nordstrom Rack, and yeah, I just had to have it. Like I said, I love these rain boots, and these are my first pair of rain boots. I still have the order form for them. Wow. So these are called the Tristee waterproof rain boots. I got these in a size 9, which is probably a little too big for me now, but they still fit pretty good. But yeah, I got these from Nordstrom. Unfortunately, it doesn't really say how much they are on here. But I'm gonna definitely put that in the description box down below, letting you guys know where to go and how much everything is. It comes with this foot care booklet, super cute. I love all of Coach's packaging and things like that. So cute. So those were my rain boots. Put that in here. Put these back down there. So the second shoe that I got from Coach would be my Coach flip-flops. These Coach flip-flops, I believe I got these out in Florida when I got my small Coach bag that you've seen in my last Coach video. So I got the Coach bag and these Coach flip-flops at the same time. I had to have me some Coach flops, okay? They are a little worn now, but when I first got them, they looked amazing. But I'm definitely gonna show you guys these. These don't have a box, but these are my Coach flip-flops. I believe these were running around $40 at the Coach outlet. All right. But these are my Coach flops. I have definitely worn these. It's time for me to get a new pair. Can't wait to get me a new pair. But I've definitely worn these because they have, you know, they're a little warm. But these are my favorite flops, and I can't wait to get some more. Okay, I'm definitely gonna put these in the description box down below, letting you guys know how much these is, or how much these are, not how much these is, but I will be letting you guys know how much these are and where you can get these. These are very common for Coach, but I'll definitely let you know where to go. Okay, so next I had to purchase these shoes from Coach because I just love the new emblem that Coach has for their new products, and I wanted some cute boots that weren't Uggs. Like, I wanted something different basically, so I found these mountain boots, right? They were so freaking huge, but they're like so different at the same time and so sweet. So I was really like in limbo, like, should I get these or should I not get these? But I definitely got them. So let me this box for you. I believe these were running around probably like $80 something or $90, around that. I'm definitely gonna put the link on where to get these and how much they are in the description box down below. This is the box for the rain boots. So here are the not rain boots. These are the mountain boots. These are called hiker boots. C265 hiker boots. They are black and they have the pink on the side. You've probably seen me wear these in some of my pictures. Maybe I'll insert a picture in this clip. But yeah, these are my mountain boots. I'm definitely gonna wear these when I get to go hiking out here in Cali. Okay, I went hiking once and I didn't get to wear them, but I'm definitely gonna wear them next time. But yeah, I love this new emblem that Coach has. So different and so cute. I really love it. And then I just love like how different they look. I love like all the pink accents and things like that. It has the Coach symbol up here, and then on the bottom it has Coach and the little horse carriage. Super cute. So yeah, I got those. I had to get these. People be looking at me like, oh my gosh, like those is humongous. But I be like, I don't care. These is fire, okay? I be wearing Balenciagas and all of them. Get you some of these, okay? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna let you guys know how much those were in the description box down below. I got another foot care booklet that comes in all of your shoes when you purchase your when you purchase online or in store. After that, I just recently showed you guys my new Espadrilles in my first Coach unboxing. So of course I've got those recently, and they are treating me very well. I love them. It is definitely time for me to get something new. Definitely time for me to get something new. I also wanted to show you guys some of my Coach accessories. I love everything from Coach. Sorry about that. I wanted to show you guys some Coach accessories that I use. I love, like I said, everything from Coach. I literally have been using Coach for so long, and I just decided to start showing everyone the best deals and things to get from Coach because it's my life. So one of the accessories that I just recently got from Coach would be one of the Coach umbrellas. As you can see, oh my gosh, it's so fly. As you can see, there is, I have the tag on it, and this it's retailing at $68 for this umbrella. Yeah, I just recently got this, and it's so cool. It has a cute little bag to put it in, and yeah. Out here, there's no rain, or I haven't had any rain since I've been here, so I haven't been able to use it, but I definitely use it for the sun, okay? So when we're out and it's over 100 degrees and it's sun everywhere and I don't want to get a tan, I use my Coach umbrella, okay? So I have my Coach umbrella. And then I have my Coach fragrances. Okay, I have all my Coach fragrances. I have this Coach. This is Coach Floral Blush Perfume. This smells so amazing. Then I also use this Coach perfume. Sometimes I mix this one with other ones, or I mix these two together, or other perfumes that I currently use. And then I also got like Coach lotion that went with a different brand Coach perfume. It's one that goes in the middle of these two. It's like a really light bottle. They have the gold, they have the light bottle, and they have this one, the floral blush. So these are my scents that I use. I only wear Coach perfume. I wore like other brands like Burberry and Bulgari and things like that, but Coach has been my favorite scent like since forever. Like all the other perfumes either smell like a grandma or like they just too fruity, but all of my Coach perfumes are a perfect blend for me. So I definitely use these Coach perfumes all the time. I actually need to get a refill on this one. As you can see, it's almost gone, so I need to get that as well. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified when I post new videos, and make sure you stay tuned for more Coach unboxings and videos and other YouTube videos that I have coming for you guys. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.